success is nothing more than a few simple disciplines practiced every day. Jim Rohn. My friends, that is success. For those of us who've had success in our lives, we can tell you that it is discipline that brings it. Discipline on a daily basis. If you will just do the same thing. I know many of you listening are successful. You want to be successful in the market. How do you do it? You stay disciplined. 10 to 15 minutes is all we ask here each and every day. Let's jump into these charts. Stocks are down. We see that Bitcoin is down a little bit. Gold is up just a little. Bonds are up some. Let's jump first into the S&P 500. We can see where things topped. We can look here on the half-day chart and see in the morning on Monday where things sort of topped out. They went a little bit higher, it looks like, on Tuesday morning. And then Tuesday afternoon and Wednesday, we have seen things going down. Now, we're still above the weekly trend line on both the 2-day and the half-day. And again, we can see we've reached a higher high this week. We can see, of course, where volume peaked at the bottom back there on the 13th of March. Then we had a spinning top the next week with high volume, decent volume, above average. Average last week. And this week, you know, we're only on Wednesday. Looks like we might get up there. So we'll continue to keep an eye on things as the market's burning off that most recent top. But again, things still going in the right direction. Again, the S&P is only down 0.29% as I record this now. The NASDAQ 100 down over 1% right now. We can see where it dropped more precipitously in the morning and down some in the afternoon. Also, we are above, of course, price-wise on the weekly trend line. We can see that this latest candle representing Wednesday, we can see that it is a doji at this point. Volume, it's about halfway up. Still got another day to draw, but price is above on both the 2-day and the half-day. It's above that weekly trend line. But again, we'll be keeping an eye on things. Now, we've seen that happen before. Go up, slide sideways down, and then take off again. So we'll keep an eye on things. Volume, though, is quite high in the morning on this half-day chart. So we'll keep an eye on things as they move along. Bonds, different, up 1.02% right now. And again, heading up toward where things have bounced off 3 times already. You can see where price moved up and through on this half-day chart, the weekly trend line. You can look on the 2-day and see where price is moving up toward this potential ceiling here. And again, we will watch, wait, and see. We had 2 weeks of really a sideways slide. We had red volume there. You can see this week green volume. So let's keep an eye and see if we can blast above this potential ceiling. We break that. Good news. You know, where do we go from there? Maybe perhaps up to the 121.13 mark. We'll see. Gold down a little bit for the day. Again, gold reaching a higher high this week. Price well above on this weekly trend line, well above on the 2-day chart and the half-day chart, that weekly trend line. So that's looking good. Gold down just a little bit. We can see where things have sort of topped here over the last couple of days, and we'll keep our eye on things, see where gold continues to move for the week. What about Bitcoin? Bitcoin is down 0.23%, and of course we've seen the last 3 weeks just sort of hovering at this same level. Boy, you can just see it, particularly on the half-day chart, where it's just hanging there. So again, waiting for Bitcoin to give us something to get excited about. By the way, Patreon members, we have recorded for you the 3-wave trades. I curated those for you yesterday. Lots of good potentials there for you. Please go to our Patreon site. You will see it uploaded there behind the firewall for the Patreon members. If you're not a Patreon member, we have 3 levels, and we would love to have you support the work we do here for free every day. Lots of great bonuses there. In addition to the 3-wave trades, we also have what I think is the best trading on the internet when it comes to options, understanding options. And of course, you will get, the minute you sign up, the first thing you get is the options course. It's a 3-part series, Options Made Simple, the Charting Wealth Way. Keeps it simple, makes sense, gives you what you need to start practice trading options right away. God bless, my friends. All the best from the whole team at Charting Wealth World Headquarters. As I told you yesterday, I will be traveling this week, heading out tonight, getting the show done a little early today. I'll try to get the shows on Thursday and Friday out for you in a timely manner. God willing, I'll be able to do so. All the best, my friends.